The proposed method employs the exfoliation process and the centrifugation process to control the lower limits and upper limits of size distributions of resulting graphene suspension separately. The main advantage of the proposed method is that the final size distribution is controllable by adjusting the process parameters of the exfoliation step and the centrifugation step.
In a dry, clean, flat-bottom flask, add 20 grams of PVA and then add 1,000 milliliters of distilled water. Gently swirl the flask until the PVA fully dissolves. Then add 50 grams of graphite powder to the flat-bottom flask and gently swirl the flask until the graphite powder fully disperses in the suspension. Transfer 500 milliliters of the resulting suspension to a 500 milliliter beaker. Place the beaker under a shear mixer, positioning the beaker near the center of the mixing vessel to prevent the formation of a vortex. Lower the mixing head to its lowest position, 30 millimeters from the base plane. Next, prepare a water bath by filling a 5,000 milliliter beaker with room temperature water and position the 500 milliliter beaker in the bath. Start the mixer and increase the speed gradually to 4,500 RPM. Mix at this speed for 120 minutes. Change the water every 30 minutes. Perform this exfoliation step 5 more times with different duration. The mixing time determines